The Slug Boys, yay!
Here comes a Sue. Why is it all fucking blurry like we just took acid?
He's got his speed force.
he's like the Flash man. Look at him.
How do you think he's so good at football?
I just thought it was just genetics, mate. What's wrong with his face? Like, did they take Ronaldo's face and like plaster it on this fucking?
No.
Looks like he's wearing some like shitey like makeup. It's like he stuck his face in fucking cocaine. Just like.
The thing is, it's like they couldn't actually get the full Cristiano Ronaldo. They had to go and get that statue version of him.
Alright.
Make it better for that.
Fucking hell.
That statue she's fucked. Oh, what I mean?
Uh-oh.
What's this?
Oh, this.
I bet when he enters the ring, that hoodie's coming off, and we're gonna see all sorts of tits, man. The Joker, baby. Oh, it's a tag team.
Me first, alright. Did what we want, Dad.
Alright. Fucks.
Send him to get bored.
Oh.
Oh, he's got okay, so Admiral, get me Admiral. Oh, imagine jumping.
You need to go up for the guy tag.
I'm trying to fucking tag him. There's no fucking prompt to do it. There we go.
Come on, man.
He's just beating up the Joker outside the ring, for fuck's sake. I'll take Ronaldo then.
Oh,
Where do you think you're going, Joker?
it's been late every time I've done
I
that.
just fucking took out both of them counts, man.
Oh, maybe.
Out of my way, Joker.
Maybe. I'll go it, fuck me.
No, we'll host this one, because we can't get in the ring, I don't know.
What the fuck? He ducked my ass.
Fucking hell,
No
man.
chance of that.
Tag team must be glitched or something, man. Cause you, like, they start you can run and then you can't.
Batman!
Bad bro. Is Randy Orton coming out?
Grimace! You know it's Deadpool.
Grimace. I didn't see Grimace on the list. Is this Grimace?
I doubt Grimace is even here, mate. Who is it, mate?
Alright.
You just take for a bit up here.
He doesn't need a fucking title card, we all know who he is. Fuck's sake.
Donald Trump.
Fucking Wonder Woman. Where did Demotrask, man?
It's not Ghostface.
That's not Spawn. Oh fuck. Freddy's got some fucking agility on him. I'm out.
I'm not last man alive, and I'm not even playing the game, well. Oh no, 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 no! Yeah, can't you?
I'm gonna root for Batman. This guy taking every cut out, man. Oh, Batman on his way out. Fuck's sake.
No, it's shit, mate, no.
He's shagging him. Ah, get him it. Get him it. Wonder Woman's next. What are you doing?
You could have just kicked her out.
Aye. And now he's gonna fucking get punished for it.
There he goes.
Fucking hell. Undertaker?
I know, I was just randomising it, I'd fucking mashed A, and I got that.
Will Smith as well. Is that Will Smith or is that fucking Eddie?
Martin Luther King Jr.
Oh, for
I'm not going him now.
That's brilliant.
I just look like a racist cunt now. Oh, fuck.
In fact, he got it right twice. Is that what? Smith or Eddie Murphy? Fucking. I'm still fucking Will Murphy out here.
Well,
Eddie
Murphy.
Smith.
Oh. Guys, I'm sorry.
Oh, hold on.
Okay.
What?
Oh,
What
there.
you doing? Get up, young black child. We need to go. Get up, get the big wig man.
No.
Oh, fuck.
Gentlemen, please, we can all be one. We don't have to fight anymore.
I just see the flow pass. I fucking missed a bit of that. What?
He's getting ganged up on now.
I'm doing all this while getting hit by a fucking bit.
Fucking hell. Break your back into fucking concrete.
Yeah, you good?
Carnage? Oh, fuck.
Spider-Man, help me!
I come in running for his life.
Carnage is the worst one. I need Venom's help.
Spider-Man!
I thought I could jump. I thought I could do like a power jump longer than that, man. Carnage!
Knocked myself out.
Oh, fucking table, man. Oh, fuck. I'm dead.
His arms.
I think that's some sort of symbiote or something. Ow, ow, ow.
Hey, Spider-Man to save you now.
No, fuck that one. Who's superpowers, mate? I don't. You're an alien, mate. I'm just on all you.
Feel the carnage.